Want to enable and set up the Samsung Adapt Sound feature in your Samsung phone? This feature is important because it personalizes your audio for the best listening experience based on your hearing. Hi there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn on and customize Samsung Adapt Sound. Let's get started. Go to the settings, scroll down a little bit, then tap on sounds and vibration. Now scroll down to the bottom, then tap on sound quality and effects. Tap on adapt sounds from the bottom. First, make sure to toggle it on. Now configure as you want. Like I'm going to select 30 to 60 years old. Then tap the settings icon beside the 30 to 60 years old option. From the bottom, you can select your preferred ear for a call like left ear or right ear. And you can also change your sound preference from clear to soft. So that's it. That's how you turn on and set up the Samsung Adapt Sound feature on your phone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.